In this short video, I will give you our foolproof method to get a meeting with anyone, even if you are a complete newbie. Now, this may sound too good to be true, but by the time you're done watching this video, you will be able to reach out to anyone at scale with complete confidence. Confidence that you can land a meeting and close a client without much effort. Let's face it, the old way of prospecting is broken. Cold emails get ignored. Cold calls are tiring. But does that mean you should go back to the 9-to-5 box just because you cannot make these methods work? Of course not. See, if you are tired of getting clients with any of the conventional strategies and you failed, that's not your fault. The truth is 99% of all the conventional client getting strategies just fly under the radar of your prospects. But you can still land clients and book a meeting with anyone if you reach out to your prospect in a way they have never seen before. You can easily get any prospect to book a meeting with you by using the power of hyper-personalization. This technique is incredibly effective because it removes cold from your outreach, crafting each message in such a way that not only it is unique to your prospect, it also gets them to take action. Now, doing something like this, where the email, the image, the video, and the landing page are personalized for each prospect, could take weeks and a lot of effort. Even if you hire someone to do this for you, it will take a lot of time and money. So how can you do it at scale for say 100 or 200 prospects a day without hiring anyone? Introducing Vumu, a brand new approach to landing clients. This software allows you to automate the foolproof method I shared earlier, reaching prospects at scale with hyper-personalization, and it is simple. Let me show you how. The images, landing pages, and videos you create in Vumu change based on who is viewing them. They change to match your prospect's personal attributes, including first name, last name, company logo, or any other information you have about your prospect. This level of hyper-personalization removes the cold out of prospecting emails, since each of your prospects thinks the images, the videos, and the landing pages you share with them are built specifically for them. Digital service providers use Vumu to send hyper-personalized messages to just 10 prospects and secure 7 to 8 meetings, pitching their services and closing 2 to 3 deals, all in the same day.
G'day, it's Ben from Behavior Sales, and I'm based in Tampa, Florida in the US. Vumu has been fantastic. My first use case with it was like I got it just before Christmas. I literally launched a campaign the day before Christmas, which resulted in me getting 2 meetings booked, but the week between Christmas and New Year's, when most people aren't working. I literally got 2 meetings booked with 2 executives, which are both going to result in 7-figure plus deals for us. And it was highly, highly effective.
Now, you might be wondering what is so special in Vumu that got Ben these results. The answer is simple. While your competitor sends generic outreach emails, Vumu lets you create personalized images, landing pages, and videos with ease, making you the one who truly captures your prospect's attention. All 3 of the assets you create in Vumu change based on the personal attributes of the recipient. Let me show you how this works. Take a look at this image. Let's say you want this particular image to feature your prospect's first name, though in reality it could include any attribute that you want. Company name, company logo, the name of their dog, whatever information you have and want to use. But for the sake of simplicity, let's go with the first name. Then let's say you include this image in your email and send it out to 2 prospects. Their names are Mark and Jane. So Mark is going to see this image. For Jane, the image is going to display this way. You could send this image to thousands of prospects at once, and for each of them, the image would feature their own first name or whatever attribute you have included. Your prospects have never seen anything like this, and it is almost impossible to stop them from clicking on this image. Now, what if you were to amplify this using personalized landing pages? The landing pages work similarly to dynamic images. First, you specify what attributes you want to be displayed on the landing page. It takes less than a minute to do so. Again, it can be anything: location, company logo, details from their personal lives, any information that you have. For example, let's say you've set up the landing page so it displays your prospect's first name, the name of the company, company's location, website, and logo. It would look something like this. And let's say Jane, from the previous example, runs a company, Fun Widgets Inc., in Columbus, Ohio. Here's what she will see once she clicks on the personalized image from the email or DM you send to her, and this is what the landing page looks like. Again, you could send thousands of prospects to this page, and the page would change to match the personal attributes of each of them. This of course will make every single one of your prospects think the page was built specifically for them. Now let's spice things up a little bit more with the biggest thing Vumu has to offer you: personalized videos. You can easily include a personalized video on the landing page and offer prospects to book a meeting with you right inside the video. Now again, each one of your prospects will see a video tailored for them. Following up with Jane's example, to her the video would look something like this. For Mark, it will look like this. With Vumu, you do not need any cold email software or email warm-up software. Other tools will get you a slow 1 to 3% reply rate on your emails. With hyper-personalization campaigns you create in Vumu, you can easily get reply rates of 50, 70, and even 90%. That's why most Vumu users don't send more than 50 messages every week. Many only send 10 to 20 messages, and it's enough to keep their calendar filled with meetings. What's more, a few of the beta testers had to stop their campaigns altogether. Why? Simply because they were getting so many meetings with targeted prospects, they just could not handle the volume. Would you also like to start generating so many red-hot clients that you will have to hire a few extra pairs of hands just to meet the demands of your services? If you would, click the button below and claim Vumu for a small one-off price now. If you act now, you will also get 3 exclusive bonuses worth thousands of dollars. These bonuses include live training on how to make 6 figures using Vumu, lead generation apps so you never run out of prospects, and lifetime access to our recent creation called Meeting List app. Each of these items in this bonus package by itself is worth a few times more than the small investment you are making in Vumu. And all you have to do to get Vumu and the bonuses is claim your lifetime account at a one-time price. Click the button below this video to claim everything right now. If you grab Vumu right now and don't land the client in the next 14 days, hit us up and we will issue you a full immediate refund. As you can see, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain with this offer. But you really must take action now. Once this launch is over, the only way you will be able to get access to Vumu is if you pay $297 a month for its lowest plan. Claim Vumu and all the bonuses for a small one-time price right now.